Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Hello everyone. This is Korean Billy, and welcome back to Seoul City Facebook live streaming. Hello. Wow, you can see the Seoul Tower over there. Hello, hey guys. Hello. Hi, hello. Hello everyone. This is Korean Billy, and look at the Seoul City. Seoul, and you can check out interesting spots around here. Christy says hello from the USA. Hello. And look at that. We can already see spectacular views around this area. And today we are going to visit interesting spots. And around here is Gyeongbokgung, and also in front of here you can see interesting views around here as well. And look at that. You can see a mountain over there. Maybe you can spot the mountain, right? Missing Seoul. Many people say they miss Seoul. And Mary says watching from the Philippines. Good day from Malta. Hello. Watching from Indonesia. Hello. Watching from Bangladesh. Hello. Wow, so look at that. We can see interesting, spectacular views around here as well. We can see interesting museum as well. And if we turn left, you can start to see historic, like a traditional style wall around here with the bus stop. And you can spot Seoul buses with interesting buildings around here. That just looks amazing. Awesome. To shop area as well, you can see.
And we are now facing very famous art galleries. Gukje Gallery
And we are now
and
facing
Hakkoje. These galleries are top art galleries in Korea.
Yeah, we just passed by the top galleries in Seoul, in Korea.
Now we are getting inside Samcheongdong, inside Samcheong area.
And we are now entering Samcheongdong area, which is also a very fancy area. And during spring and autumn, you can also check out beautiful leaves
Of course.
along the street as well. Museums and galleries. I have to be there, says Susanna. Yeah, you should indeed. And Saray says hi. So what time is it over there, and what are you guys doing at this time? Please let me know. Watching from the Philippines, says Grandpa. The Philippines, Indonesia, India, Bangladesh. Please tell me where you're from, and I'm going to shout out your country. And you can see beautiful blue sky around here. Sarah says, Oppa 어디야요? Oppa, where is it? So we are now in Samcheongdong area. This is also one of the top attractions in Seoul, tourist spot, because there are like traditional style buildings around here. It is very interesting to just walk around, like this building and that building. Mary says watching from the Philippines. Hello. Shufat says 안녕하세요. Hello. Annie says cooking lunch from India. Ooh, which food are you cooking? Sounds good. You can also see the mountain from the back. It's 8:41 Germany time. Hey, guten Morgen. Inna says, wow, we can tour in Korea. Yeah. I always find it really interesting to show you guys while driving around Seoul. Also, I personally enjoy just browsing Seoul by car like this and enjoy the views of Seoul. And it's already 3:42 p.m. Where are you? Brenda says, saludos desde. Watching from Myanmar, hello. So some people are during the daytime, and some people are enjoying the nighttime. Hello from Bahrain, hello. Looks very beautiful. Watching from the Bangladesh, hello. So we are kind of like going up the hill, and around here you can check out more of a residential side of this area. Watching from the Philippines. Ruth says watching from California, from the United States of America. I'm preferring fish curry and rice. That sounds good. 2:42 a.m. here in Michigan, hello. And USA, Oklahoma, hello. Americans here as well, hello. It's lunchtime in India. That's nice. Ree says, where do you usually have some tea or coffee? Well, throughout Korea, there are lots of like interesting tea shops and coffee shops. So I just try every area and every district to try different coffee shops and tea shops. 8:43 p.m. New Zealand time. Hello, Kiora.
Now we are just right middle in the Bukchon Hanokmaal, I guess.
And we are now in the middle of. We're now inside the Bukchon Hanok village, where you can find interesting Korean houses around here. So you can spot the buildings around here look a bit different from typical houses, right? So in those houses, actual people are living here.
Right.
Which is nice. From Uganda, hello.
But some buildings are renovated. This is a kind of hybrid version of modern and contemporary. Tradition and contemporary.
Interesting.
But those kind of buildings are very authentic. Indeed.
So you can check out old and new buildings at the same time. Some buildings have been renovated, some buildings are still there as they are.
These are really quite authentic.
Yeah, they are authentic ones. Wow, look at that. And you can even spot Seoul Tower from here. Look at that. You can check out Seoul Tower with old buildings.
Did you get it?
Yeah, wow, look at that. I love it. Very interesting.
It was like it's a photo spot.
This is a great photo spot.
Yeah. Do you think we can go
Yeah,
through?
people enjoy taking photos around here. Even Korean tourists are here as well. It's 5:45 p.m. in Queensland. Hello, hello. Melody says want to go there. Rita, it looks like no one is outside. Yeah, but except this area, right? Okie dokie.
To be honest, it is very exotic view for even Koreans, right?
Yeah, it is very exotic.
Yeah.
Wow, and look at that. It just looks so nice. Look at that. You can see the metropolitan vibe and the historic vibe at the same time. That just looks so amazing. Look at that. I love it. Wow. Ranjan says it's lunchtime. Hello. Tuba says, are the traditional houses with heating systems because it's quite cold in Seoul? Yeah. Traditional buildings also have decent heating system as well.
Exactly. We call it ondol, right?
Yeah, called it ondol. So it's like we heat up the floor of the houses, which warms up the entire house. Wow, look at that. It just looks amazing.
I think we have to go out this zone.
안녕 from Japan. konbanwa. Bueno bar. Hello. Wow, Namsan says melody, right? Amazing. So if you